Hey guys, a couple of my videos I talk about mindset and growth and goals, and like I got to be honest. I mean, I'm trying to go to the gym as much as I can. I'm not perfect, but we were thinking that the first week of January the gym was just going to be packed with all these people that had New Year's resolutions. Just wasn't the case this year, and I think it's just a problem. I think people just don't really have goals anymore. Like the majority of just the population, the general population, or the term gen pop, right? Or just, it's just everyone just going through life, going through the motions without actually setting goals. And it's like, what's the point? If you're not going to push yourself, if you're not going to constantly, regardless of what stage of life that you're in, I don't know. I just don't understand it. Like, if you're not going to push yourself and continue to strive for growth and improvement, I mean, isn't that like the purpose of life, is to continually grow? I say it at the end of every one of my videos. Let's grow. I just, it doesn't make any sense to me. I just, I don't understand why more people. And I talked to a few people. It's like, what are your goals? And nobody has goals. I think it's important, as as individuals, as business owners, as professionals, we're always constantly striving for growth, because either we're growing or we're dying. For more growth tips, for more marketing tips, for more business tips, be sure to like and follow me, and let's grow.